Hey everyone. It's surprising how many nurses skip a critical step during Foley catheter insertion. Let's make sure you're not one of them and master this skill safely. First things first, always start with proper hand hygiene. Get your hands clean and then prepare all your necessary equipment. Make sure everything is within reach. Next, you need to select the correct catheter size for your patient and get them positioned comfortably on the bed. This makes the whole process smoother for both of you. Now for the crucial part, sterile insertion. Use a sterile technique, lubricate the catheter tip well, and then gently insert it while keeping your patient comfortable and informed. Remember, maintaining sterility is key to preventing infections. Once you see urine return, inflate the balloon and then secure the catheter properly. Check for good flow and teach your patient about maintaining hygiene to prevent any complications. And there you have it. You're ready to perform a Foley catheter insertion safely and confidently. If this video helped you, give it a like, comment Foley skills done, and subscribe for more nursing tutorials. Thanks for watching.